Somebody so-called tried to push somebody in a car and they had a Honda Accord, so they pulled me over.
In this video, a Lyft driver is pulled over by police under suspicion of a domestic violence incident. The driver explains that he was actively completing rides and that no one else was in the car, arguing the stop is unnecessary. Officers repeatedly question him for details about previous pickups, while the driver insists he cannot share personal information about passengers. Miscommunication and confusion escalate as the driver shows proof of his ride, but officers remain unsure if the report matches him. The encounter highlights tension, frustration, and the challenges of police stops based on vague reports.
That's what I want to know. What was the immediate, I want to stop him? That's exactly what I would like to know. What was the immediate, I want to stop him? What's up? What's up?
What's up?
You tell me.
Alright, I pulled you over for a reason, okay?
What's the reason?
Can I explain myself?
What's the reason?
Okay, I pulled you over because there was a domestic that went out in this vehicle, a silver Honda Accord.
This is a dark silver Honda Accord, and I'm not doing domestic violence because you stopped me and I'm middle driving Lyft. So how could I be in the domestic violence?
I was just asking. I see you don't got no female in here. I was just making sure.
Apparently.
Okay. Yes.
Alright, so I can get back to work? Damn, bro, what you angry about work?
So what?
I can get back to work?
Sure. Where you coming from?
I'm driving Lyft, so I'm coming from dropping somebody off and going to pick somebody else up.
I'm saying where you dropped them off at.
If I wasn't in a domestic, there's no female in the car, right?
Yeah.
So that would say that I'm apparently doing something. And if I'm showing you an app that shows that I'm going to somebody else.
Where you came from, your last drop off.
Camden.
I know, but where? What street?
Why? Why does that even matter?
What street, son?
Why does that matter?
I'm trying to see what street you came from.
Why does that matter?
Why I pulled you over.
Wasn't you just right there where you pulled up and then you see me coming down?
I was circulating for a silver Honda Accord and I came across
This is a dark silver Honda Accord.
It don't matter. It don't matter. It's still silver.
I was driving Lyft, so where I was coming from, I can't really tell you because that's somebody else's personal crib.
Okay.
Regardless of anything. But if I'm showing you an app, there's no female in the car, which you walk up and just said, and I'm showing you an active ride.
All right, cool. Stand by.
Watch me. That's wild, man.
You can clear that Harrison job. Uniform 3 and sister.
Are you aware of the situation?
I don't care about it. It ain't got nothing to do with me. This ain't even a traffic stop.
What's the person you dropped off? The last person. What's her name?
I can't even tell you that.
Name? Don't make this more than
I can't tell you
that.
Yes,
you can tell me.
I literally can't.
Called, you was dropping somebody off. Yes, exactly what you were saying. You was working.
Yeah, and I was nowhere. The area that you're not listening. You're not listening. You're talking.
Yeah.
The area that you were in, because I seen you pull up, right?
Yes.
And the domestic violence was in this area, right? I was not even in this area. I was all the way near Cooper Hospital and came in this direction. So when I got here, I saw you pull up, and then I seen you pull up behind me. I'm literally showing you I'm driving Lyft. So how could I have been anywhere in the vicinity if I was over by Cooper?
You still answer my question though.
I can't tell you because once the ride is over, I don't have the information. You don't have. This is not a traffic stop.
It is actually. What is?
It's not a traffic stop. Why you?
We can make it.
Why? But why want? Why want to?
Technically, it is a traffic stop.
I pulled over because of what? What is the investigation of? Domestic violence, right? Domestic violence, right? I'm telling you, listen, I can't tell you the name because once the ride is over, the information is gone. Literally. The best thing I can tell you is I dropped this person off and it was near Cooper. That's the best thing I can tell you.
Your driver's license.
Yo, you wildin'. Look, I'm getting texts now. This is stupid, yo. Here. Hey, what you going? You just want to check my name, see if you fine up, and you not. I'm a good person. We can make this a traffic stop. You can't make nothing a traffic stop. There's nothing illegal.
Yeah, window tint's legal.
That's secondary.
Camera right there is illegal.
That's for my safety.
Still illegal.
That's crazy, yo.
Let's give you two things right there.
This is literally, they tell us to do this for safety.
It's still illegal.
So,
It's not legal.
that is crazy. Y'all, like, y'all really just want to...
I'm just saying, I'm letting you know. That's it.
That just makes no sense, though. Because it's like you want to bother somebody that's telling you the truth. Can you show me anything of saying or showing that there is a domestic violence in the area?
I show you no.
Then how will I know that's even true?
You think that we will come to your car?
I don't trust none of y'all. And especially after this right here, I would never trust it.
That's fine. So you think we're
So
gonna come to
yeah,
your car and say,
yeah, I would believe you would lie to me.
I don't really care if you do or don't.
All right then.
What I'm saying though, think about it. Be realistic for 1 second.
No, I'm
You
not.
really think we're gonna pull you over? And
Yeah,
make up a
the
story
way
for
she
us
the way
pulling
she
up
just
our Honda
the way
Accord?
she just did it,
For mere various things.
the way she just did it,
I don't know how she did it. I put up late. So I'm just saying.
the way she did it, I can't say I would agree or nothing like
It
that.
wasn't a domestic violence. It was actually somebody calling saying that male trying to force her into the car.
Then why she said domestic violence then?
That's how our casting works. That's it. They put it in as domestic
Force
violence.
them in a car. That would have mean I would have had
Said it was
somebody
her
in.
boyfriend.
I would have had. I'm single,
So I'm saying, look.
so I'm good.
Okay, that's fine. But you should ask you some
I'm
questions.
good.
All you have to do is answer them simply.
I did. I gave her direct answers, bro.
Right.
But I can't give you
Right.
somebody's information. I can't give you somebody's
No,
whereabouts. Like,
we're not asking for information.
She just asked me the name of the person, right?
Yeah. All you need the first name. That's all we needed.
I can't get that because it, literally, well, I can't even go to the joint because I'm still in the ride right now.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just saying. That's
Even
all
if I was able to go back to the ride, there's no information. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's nothing there for me to be like, yo, this person. There's no address. There's no name. There's just this the area that I was in. In the silver Honda Accord. Was it a small one? Did they say a year?
Silver Honda.
That's wild.
You're driving a silver Honda.
But I mean, they didn't give you a year. They didn't say anything.
Since you're being forced into a car, how should we use a year? Being forced into a car.
I mean, most people know these are easy bodies. This is 2015. They got the 2010 you see around here a lot. Then you got like the 99 you see around here a lot. A lot of people like to have a 99 Honda.
Now, do you think the common person knows that?
Yeah, hell yeah. This it's just 2024. Right. I'm downtown. Somebody so-called tried to push somebody in a car and they had a Honda Accord, so they pulled me over. So that's what I'm waiting on. I don't know. I mean, like I said, they pulled me over because they think, or somebody in the same type car apparently tried to force somebody into a car. So now I'm sitting here waiting. I can't cancel it. If you want to cancel it, you would have to cancel it. I can't cancel it. They tell you what block it was on?
Yeah. On 7th Street.
Oh yeah, I was in.
So what?
I said I wasn't nowhere near 7th Street. So they tried to force him in a car, but wasn't successful at it.
We don't know. That's why we're circling looking for a Honda.
Anybody else searching?
No, it's only lifted right now. We've been searching for like 3 to 5 minutes.
Oh, well, they long gone
The
now.
address, see if it's the direction of travel.
What direction was it?
She said 7 towards 6, and that was the last one she said.
Oh, I wasn't even going towards 6. Because if I'm going this
Yeah,
way,
but think about it though. You usually turn around at any point in time.
nah, not right there. Not if it was like, I mean, if you're in that big ass intersection, then yeah, you can turn around pretty quick. If you're not near there, then you're gonna have a little bit of a tighter turn most places. I mean, 7th Street got wider down here and shit because they cleaned it up.
Turn on 6th Street.
6th Street would be a hard ass U-turn. Intersection.
Nah, it's just a K-turn.
That'd be, yo, 6th Street? Man, if somebody hit a K-turn on 6th Street, they gonna have to do it by the open lot or something like that. They ain't gonna hit it like anywhere.
The way people drive out here, you'd be surprised.
I grew up out here. I know how people drive out here, but I'm just saying.
Exactly, so just think about it.
But not, I'm telling you, literally, 6th Street is not gonna happen. Y'all just made me lose the ride. 6th Street is not gonna happen. 7th Street, you guaranteed. 6th Street, like I said, open lot somewhere, you can get it because you're gonna hit a little bit of a curve.
5 o'clock in the morning, nobody's out right now. That's Sunday morning.
That should be even easier to see, motherfucker. Should be way easier. But for me, it's like I'm not even going in that. I'm not even in that direction. I wasn't. Where was I coming from? I don't know. What is that street? Is that 7th? That's 7th Street, is it? Where it's like, you know, the old bar. Where it's like that's Atlantic. You know the old bar right there on the corner, like Atlantic.
Crystals?
Yeah, that's the old one, right?
Yeah, there's the old one.
Nah, is it? It's on this side, like, you know how you coming from Pollock, right?
Yeah,
Coming this way.
Yeah.
And it's on the right side.
On your right side, yeah.
Yeah. I thought that shit got shut down. Did I turn right there? Cause when I was coming out, I didn't come all the way up. Yeah, I turned right there, and then I seen her coming down the back street or whatever, and stopped at the light. And then that's when I seen her pull up, and then here we are.
After a long and frustrating exchange, the driver is finally allowed to continue working. The police clarify that the stop was due to a potential report of someone being forced into a vehicle, but nothing confirmed involved him. The video ends with the driver expressing disbelief and frustration at the unnecessary delay, emphasizing the stress and inconvenience caused by a situation based on unclear information. It leaves viewers reflecting on the challenges of law enforcement, miscommunication, and the impact on everyday citizens.